Hola, I'm Congresswoman Janice Hahn, and I proudly represent the 44th Congressional District of California. And this month, I hope you'll join me and our nation in commemorating Hispanic Heritage Month, a time when all Americans pause to recognize the immeasurable ways Latino Americans have contributed to the fabric of our great nation. Every year, from September 15th through October 15th, we celebrate the extraordinary contributions of outstanding Latino leaders who have paved the way for equality and justice for all Americans. From Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor, the first Latina to serve on the highest court of the land, to Ellen Ochoa, the first Latina to become an astronaut. Celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month is an opportunity for us to pay tribute and celebrate the rich heritage, cultures, and incredible contributions and achievements of Latino Americans whose ancestors came from Spain, Mexico, Central and South America. Let us never forget that we are a nation built by generations of immigrants and hardworking families. With their courage and with their hard work, generations of immigrants have built America into the vibrant nation we live in today. I'm honored to represent a district with a rich legacy of Latino cultures, arts, business, and civic service. Over 480,000 Latinos live and work in my district. Great Latino leaders from the state of California, such as Hilda Solis, the first Hispanic woman to serve as United States Secretary of Labor, civil rights activist Dolores Huerta, and legendary social activist Cesar Chavez, have all left an indelible mark of steadfast leadership, excellence, and service on this great state and on our nation. I'm proud to celebrate this important occasion with the Latino community in my district in Los Angeles and around the country. And while the national debate for comprehensive immigration reform continues, I remain committed to working with my colleagues on both sides of the aisle to find a meaningful, comprehensive solution that gives the 11 million immigrants a pathway to citizenship.